Hey everyone, Ed at Audi Cars. This is our 2009 59 registered Audi A6. It is a C6 generation facelift car, as you can see, 2-litre Tdie, so it's the slightly more economical version. It's the 140 horsepower, very nice looking car. It's finished in Daytona grey. It's got 78,000 miles, 11 services. Beautiful condition throughout. Rides on the 18-inch 15-spoke alloys. They're a factory upgrade. Has got 4 brand spanking new tyres. Got the black Valcona leather inside. Very, very, very nice. Fantastic value, especially being a facelift car. Got your rear parking sensors. Your reg number is there for any checks you may wish to carry out. And as you can see, there are no big dings, scratches or anything like that to point out. Of course, being the age it is, you will find the odd imperfection, but they're going to be tiny. We fitted these 4 tyres, so they are absolutely brand fire new. There is a little bit of damage on the grille just there, but from a metre away you can't even see it. Not worth changing the grille. Other than that, super clean. I'll show you inside. Of course, we start with the boot as always. Good sized boot on these, with your split folding rear seats as well. No nasty smells, all very clean, and you even get a full size spare wheel. Got your warning triangle up there, and all your toolkit is in there, look. As I mentioned, we've got the black leather. I believe it's Valcona. If you do need to know the type of the leather, please do just send us an email and I will confirm. But it is all very clean. It's got the Isofix, and it's also got rear side airbags and rear electric windows. And in the front, we've got drivers and passengers electric seat, electric folding mirrors. Being the S-Line, you get the sports seats with the extending bolster, as you can see there, and the S-Line embossed logo. Multifunction steering wheel, 6-speed gearbox. All very nice, clean and tidy. Your mileage is 78,665, and let's just start the car up. So there you have it. All your lights illuminate and go out as they should. Nothing to hide here. No warnings at all. Even got some fuel in it. We've got your FM AM radio in the centre. This one's got the MMI, the 3G nav, as you're about to see there, look. With your media inputs, SD card, CD and jukebox. Of course, it's got Bluetooth telephone and parking sensors. Got your dual climate control. All the switchgear in the centre, as I've just shown you, is very clean, with your cup holders there. Media interface in the glove box, or multimedia system, sorry, with your handbooks, auto dipping mirrors, and that is that. Overall, very nice example, especially when you consider the age. Do give us a call, get involved, 01509 267 111. We'll get you booked in for a test drive. Thanks for watching.